Quickly fix site can't provide secure connection in Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. If not a Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Next, launch the Chrome application on your device. As you do that, tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security and make sure that you have your DNS secured and as per your convenience. After that, go back and then make a long press on the Chrome browser over here. It will lead you to the App Info option over here. As you do that, tap on App Info and it will lead you to a new page. So just tap on Clear Data option over here and then Clear Cache. Then tap on OK. Afterwards, go back and launch the Play Store application and search for Google Chrome. Make sure that you have the latest version of Google Chrome. After that, you can just go and your issue might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.